it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween Day 14? I believe it's day 14. Let me look at this. It's either day 14 or day 15. Not sure. I'll have to check before I make my title. Either way, we're moving right around. Right along. That's it. We're moving right along. Last night's movie was Lost Boys, and if you had never watched it, or you haven't watched it, it's not a terrible horror movie. It's not really scary. It's got a little bit of laughs, but it's just one of the best movies ever. I don't even know what else to say about it, except for who doesn't want to watch a bunch of sexy vampires? You know, 80s hair. Come on now.
That movie has Joel Schumacher written all over it. That was like his thing.
So, 2 thumbs up. I watch it all the time, not even when it's Halloween time. I love that movie.
Heck yeah.
So, I worked some more on my blanket. Because, okay, so my cousin Rainey was going to help me. She had to wait till she had time. Then my friend Wendy, she took a look at it. And before Rainey could get back to me, she had gotten back to me and made me go back and realize what I was supposed to do. I feel kind of dingy, but anyway, here we go. I think it looks like a flower. I might keep it like this, a Halloween flower. Instead of, and not make the spokes for the spider web, because I think it looks pretty like this. I'm on this outer edge. I didn't finish that up last night. I've got to finish it up. Sorry we're late tonight. I don't have an excuse except for we were just spending time together. We went door dashing for a while. Then we went out to eat pancakes at IHOP and all that goody stuff. So... and then we got back and I was tired, so I took a nap. So here I am now, your bright ray of sunshine, to let you know that the movie tonight is Split on FreeVee. One of my favorites also. So yay, I get to watch another favorite. So Split on FreeVee is the movie tonight. I will be back tomorrow, hopefully a lot earlier, to tell you the movie and show you what I've been working on. Until then, stay spooky, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.